Hello friends, welcome again. Today in series of Microsoft Excel tips and tricks, we're going to talk about SUMIFS function. Some people get overwhelmed and feel a little tricky when they use this function, but we'll make it look very simple and give a very easy demo. Let's get started. So this is our problem statement and this is what we have. We have a sales table that contains, for example, sales data by product and by salesman. We have iPad, we have phones, we have Samsung phones, laptops, and Surface Pro as products, which are sold by employees like Katie with employee number 101, Jack, employee number 102, John and Scott, and so on. Similarly, we have the data about the employees, like we have already listed in that sales table. What we want to achieve here, we want to know what is the sales by product. So if you see the first row represents iPad. So combined sales by all the salesmen, what's the total of iPad sales? And so on for other products. Similarly, if we see column wise, we want to see how much sales a particular salesman has done, including all the products. That is represented in column pink, cell pink. Solution, SUMIFS function. Let's have a close look on how this function works and what are the parameters. The very first parameter of this function is sum range, that is range of all the cells that we need to consider to do the summation. And then we have criteria range and criteria value pairs. So first criteria range will tell which criteria or which criteria range to look into, for doing the summation. And with that, what exactly is that criteria? Once the item within the range are found, then summation will be done according to the criteria. We can have up to 127 such criteria ranges and criteria pairs. Let's go and see the quick demo. So here we have the sample Excel sheet that I created with a similar arrangement. We have a sales table where we have products, iPad, iPhone, phones, and laptops, and all of the products that are available for sales. We have salesperson ID, salesperson name, we have sales amount, and now we want to achieve the total sales by salesman and sales by product. So products are listed in the columns in gray, and salesmen are listed in the blue color on the top row. Let's get started. So we'll put the formula in here, SUMIFS. Okay, the first one is sum range. So we need the dollar amount of the sales that is done. That is absolutely this column. We need to have criteria range 1. The criteria is the product, which is listed here. And then we need criteria 2, which is all the employees, salesmen, which is listed here on the top. Let's make all these as an absolute values. As always, we need to press F4. Be careful as we drag and drop this arrangement, since our products are fixed in columns, which is column I. So I will not change, but the numbers will change when we drag. So we'll remove $sign in front of the row number. We also have to make sure that row doesn't change. So row number 2 will remain fixed, but the column will change as we drag it for Jack, John, and Scott. So this number represents the sale done by Katie for all the iPads. So if I see iPads and Katie, this is one row. And we have, once again, iPad by Katie. We have more iPads by Katie. So if you see the total sum for these rows is 9,350, and that is what we're getting here. Now all we need to do is we need to drag it down. These are the sales figure for all the different salesmen or all by the product. To sum it, simply select all these rows, do auto sum, all the columns and do auto sum. So this tells that my iPad sales is $11,250 combined by all salesmen. Similarly, my Samsung phone sales is $6,700 by all the salesmen, and so on. Katie has sold product worth $23,595. Jack has sold product worth $6,150, and the combined sales is $45,365, which is also the total of this. So by this simple formula, you are able to do this analysis and tell by the sales by product or the sales by the salesman. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.